Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about a simple technique to let go of negative feelings. My name is Ankit Verma and since my recovery from brain tumor 3 years ago, I am on a spiritual path. And my motive behind this channel is to convey my learnings to everyone in this path so that they can also benefit from the same. There are many ways to approach the process of releasing and they all lead to same result. Liberating your natural ability to let go of any unwanted emotion on the spot and allowing some of the suppressed energy in your subconscious to dissipate. One way is by choosing to let go of the unwanted feeling. Another way is to welcome the feeling, to allow the emotion just as it is. Or you could dive in deeper into the very core of the emotion. Let me explain the technique more thoroughly by asking you to participate in the simple exercise. Pick up a pen, a pencil or any small object that you would be willing to drop without giving it a second thought. Now hold it in front of you and really grip it tightly. Pretend this is one of your negative feelings and that your hand represents your gut or your consciousness. If you held the object long enough, it will start to feel uncomfortable yet familiar, right? Now open your hand and roll this object around. Notice that you are the one holding it. It is not attached to your hand. The same is case with your feelings too. Your feelings are just as attached to you as the object is attached to your hand. We hold on to your feelings and forget that we are the one holding them. It's even in our language. When we feel angry or sad, we don't usually say I feel angry or I feel sad. We say I am angry, I am sad. Without realizing it, we are misidentifying that we are the feelings. Often we believe a feeling is holding on to us. That's not true. This is not true. We are always in control and just don't know it. Now, let the object go. What happened? You let go of the object and dropped to the floor. What's that hard? No. That's what we mean when we say let go. You can do the same thing with your emotion. Choose to let it go. Sticking with this analogy, if you walk around with your hands open, wouldn't it be very difficult to hold on to the pen or other object? Right? Likewise, when you allow or welcome a feeling, you are opening your consciousness and this enables the feeling to drop away all by itself. Like the clouds passing in the sky or smoke passing up a chimney. Now if you look at the same object, a pencil, pen or paper, and you magnify it large enough, right? It would appear more and more like empty space. You would be looking into the gaps between the molecules. Similarly, when you dive into the very core of a feeling, you will observe comparatively phenomena there. Nothing is really there. And as you practice letting go, you will discover that even your deepest feelings are just on the surface. At the core, you are empty, silent and at peace. In fact, even our most extreme feelings have only as much substance as a soap bubble. And you know what happens when you poke finger into a soap bubble, right? It pops. That's exactly what happens when you dive into the core of a feeling. Letting go will help you to free yourself from all your unwanted feeling patterns and behaviors. All that is required from you right now is being as open as you can be to the process. Here we go. Just make yourself comfortable and focus inwardly. Your eyes may be open and closed, does not matter. Step 1. Focus on the issue that you would like to feel better and then allow yourself to feel whatever you are feeling in this moment. Now this doesn't have to be a strong feeling, right? In fact, you can even check on how you feel about this exercise and what you want to get from it. Just welcome the feeling and allow it to be as fully or as best you can. Now this instruction may seem simple, but actually it needs to be. Most of us live in our thoughts, pictures, stories about the past and the future. rather being aware of how we actually feel in the moment. The only time that we actually do anything about the way we feel, and for the matter about our business or our lives, is now. You don't need to wait for a feeling to be strong before you can let it go. In fact, if you are feeling numb, flat, blank, cut off, or empty inside, there are feelings that can be let go just as easily as the more recognized ones. Simply do the best you can. The more you work with this process, the easier it will be for you to identify what you are feeling. Step 2. Visualize you are holding a pen in your hand. We did this exercise right now. You are holding a pen. Visualize the negative feeling flowing from your hand and it's getting stored in the pen. The pen is getting heavier with each passing moment. Feel the negative energy rushing from your hand and getting sucked inside this pen. The pen is getting heavier and heavier from that. Keep holding the pen in your hands until the entire negativity is transferred into it. Step 3. Feel the heaviness of the pen. Also feel the lightness inside of you now. All your negativity is transferred to in this pen now. Take a deep breath and throw this pen away as far as you can. Watch it leaving your side as you go further away from you. Don't take your eyes off it yet. Watch until it reaches to the point where the pen also disappears from your sight. Keep looking at it. And once it disappears, say goodbye to it. Not from venom or sadness, just with clarity. Goodbye. Bye forever. Step 4. Now raise your arms and stretch slowly, feeling what it's like to have a weight lifted off your shoulders. You feel lighter. Then you turn, not looking again where the pen was thrown, right? And you continue into the future. This was a simple procedure, but repeat it as often as you need until you feel free of that particular feeling. You will get the most out of this process if you allow yourself to see, hear and feel it working rather than by thinking about how and why it works. Lead as best as you can with your heart and not with your head. If you find yourself getting a little stuck in trying to figure it out, you can use the same identification process to let go of wanting to figure it out. As you work with this process, you will understand it more fully by having the direct experience of doing it. You will probably find yourself letting go a little more on each step of the process. The result at first may be quite subtle, very quickly. If you are persistent, the result will get more and more noticeable. You may find that you have layers of feelings about a particular topic. However, what you let go is gone for good. My aim is to change 100 lives this year. Please be a part of this mission and share this with everyone whom you think can benefit from it. Also, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you stay updated of any upcoming videos. May you have all the peace, abundance and happiness in your life. Thank you.